Now on our euro pound, by the way, as we will be doing our analysis on our euro pound, I will be analyzing it first of all, starting with our highs and our lows, which is about our resistance and also our support area here. I'll be marking it as a support area here. As we can see on our 4 hour point of view, we can see that our price is actually ranging between this area here. So before that, let's go to our GBP pound index. As if you were following this fine channel consistently, you will see where I predicted that we will actually be hitting this bullish move on our trend line, by the way. Then we will actually be seeing a fall. And guess what? We're actually having this fall. And I believe again, we are still going to go back again to hit this our trend line. Reason is that I mark here as a key level here, area here, where I think our price will actually hit here. Then definitely it will actually go bullish again to hit this our resistance trend line. I don't see any move that our pound will actually be dropping so far. All I know so far is that our pound is indicating a going to go bullish move. So now that we've had this drop to this our resistance level, we would want to be seeing a bullish move to hit this our resistance. About we've had a drop to our support level. Now we are able to go bullish on our pound index. So as we are going bullish, by the way, I believe our price will actually break out and hit this our liquidity area here. So what we are aiming for the week is about this our liquidity area here. We will see a breakout, then a fall again, giving us that ranging move again on our 4 hour time frame. We are seeing on our pound, euro, pound. And one thing again is that our pound and our euro actually move alike. So the price movement is, when our euro is going up, our pound tends to goes up, and when our euro is falling, our pound tends to fall. So the comparing these two pair is actually much difficult for me or analyzing it, because it actually moves the same. And if you are to predict it, you tend not to grab a lot of pips or a lot of profit from this trade. So I usually stay out of this euro trade and trade other pairs, which is about my pound or pound New Zealand or pound card or anything. I stay away from euro pound. So on our euro pound, we'll get a bullish move. It is our highs here and a fall, and let's see if our price will continue to range for the week. So that is my analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video if you find it helpful. Thank you.